Okay, so welcome back to the another video of 21 day agency program. In this video I'm talking about the ABO. Okay, so on ABO what we do is we use the similar strategy on the level 1 phase, right? At the moment we was running like on the CBO. Now I will show you how to do on the ABO, ad set budget optimization. $20 year, $20 year, $20 budget year, $20 budget year. If you are in India, try for 370, 350 or something like around 500 per ad set. But I think in India CBO is enough. But in US market this is what we have to do. So this is how you can test a single interest like 10. You can even start from $10 to test the phase. Okay, so you will put this much budget only, not less than this. Like if you want you can do the 10, but I'm not sure the result will be up or down. But in 20, yeah, it is like it will be like very good. Okay, but when you do 10, you will not get the exact result because Facebook will not let you get sales or any kind of leads. You will get less leads, or you will by chance you will get tons of leads, but it's depend on the ad copies and creatives and lots of factors. But you have to follow this structure 20 20 20 on each ad sites. And then okay, so this is for the ABO. So you have to split test between campaign budget optimization and ad set budget optimization. Okay, so at what if you have onboarded any new business and you tried CBO and you get them result, you don't need ABO. Okay, you don't need ABO, ad set budget auto, at that time. If you are at the starting only, you are running ABO and you are getting result, you don't need CBO at that time. Okay, you got my point. So this will spend very goodly on this ad set. So at least you have to test for 3 days. If you are not testing, if you are running for e-commerce, you have to test for 3 days. If you are running for lead generation, you can test for 1 or 2 days. That's it, not more than that. And make sure you are not spending like hundreds of dollars and you are getting zero leads. If you spend it hundreds of dollars and you got zero leads, stop that campaign, move away, create new, try new interest, check your ad copy is good enough. Okay, is there anything problem? Like lots of time landing page sucks, that's why like landing page is not working, or landing page is redirecting, or landing page is having some kind of issue, or your link is lots. One time what happened when I was running ads for one of my client for e-commerce. What she did, she removed all the product from the website old and uploaded new, and I was running ads and she didn't tell me, and I was like running ads for 3 days and I thought what's happening, why I'm not getting sales. I got frustrated. Then I went to the ad and I checked. I spent it like hundreds of dollars, and I think more than $500 on that ads. I think $700. Yeah, $700. And that all I checked all the links, and there was no product in that link. Page not found. And I then I created and I then added created a new, and I got the like around 10-20 sales. I think around, I think yeah, 10. I don't remember how many sales, but I was getting around 10 or 20 sales on that new product easily on the first day. So lots of time like internal error or external error stops you from achieving the result. Okay, so make sure what you are doing. So I told you when to use CBO and when not to use CBO, and when to use ABO and when to not use ABO. Okay, now there is some more thing I want to talk about CBO and ABO. Let's talk more about when to use and not to use in more videos. Okay, so as I'm teaching you this, I'm we will continue in the upcoming video. Okay.